Welcome everyone. So for today's video is going to be a bit tricky. What we're going to do is we're going to connect our Open Weather and Telegram both at the same time in no code API. For example, I wanted to receive some weather updates right there on Telegram, on my Telegram account. So first what we need to do is log in your account, of course, in no code API, go to the marketplace and let's look for Open Weather. Okay. So what we need to do is we're going to create an Open Weather API. If you still haven't created the API, we have a video down below. Just click right it and you can create your API first, then go back to this video. Okay. So we already created the Open Weather API right here. So what we need to do first is we're going to a different website right here. It's called integromat.com. So first, create your account right here. Then once you're created, click Create a New Scenario. Now click the plus button right here. It's very big. Okay, now look for HTTP right here and then click this one. Now look for the Make a Request button. So it's right here. And then we're going to have to provide the URL for this one. For us to get this one, we need to go back to no code API to get the URL for the Open Weather. So let's go back right here, click this use this API, and let's go here by city name. So we will have to encode right here the city that we want to get the informations for the weather. Let's say this is my city. Now click on Test API and you will receive the endpoint right here. So copy this one. Okay, and this will be your URL. So paste it right here. Okay, now for the method, let's choose get. Okay. For the body type, click raw. Content type, just choose text plain. And for the parse response, click yes. Now click the OK button and click this button, run once, and it will be fetching the data right there on your Open Weather. Okay, so what we need to do now is we're going to create another module. This will be the Telegram. Okay, so click the HTTP button right here, and then make another request. So again, we need the URL for the Telegram. So what we need to do is let's go back to our dashboard in no code API. Let's look for Telegram and click this use this API button. Now, so we need to create a Telegram bot API. If you haven't created yours yet, there's also a video down below. Just watch it. And then once you created your API, go back to this video. Okay, so we're going to check the list of endpoints. Use this API. Okay, and we're going to have to test this one if the bot is working on Telegram. So I'm going to have to send a message, click on Test API, and going to my Telegram, I have received the message. So my bot is working. Now go back to your dashboard. Okay, so this will be your URL for your bot. Copy this one. Go back to Integromat and paste it right here. Okay, so for the method, we're going to use post. And for the query string, we're going to add some parameters. For the name, I'm going to have to include text. Okay, and now for the value, this will be the message that you will be receiving. So let's say I wanted to know the city name. So we're going to have to include the name right here. Just click this one. Click enter. And let's say I wanted to know the weather update. So choose here the weather. Okay. Weather description. Okay. And next, let's say I wanted to know the wind velocity. in my area. So go to this one, wind, and yes, I want to know the speed. Okay, so yeah, I think that is the information that I needed. So click the OK button if you're done, and then now click the Run Once button to see if it works. So it will be fetching the data for your open weather and sending it to your Telegram account. If we go to our Telegram, you will see right here the information for the weather that I have here in this city. So yeah, the name of the city, weather update, and then the wind velocity. So yeah, I guess that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.